What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.026, up 0.19 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 172 million. 24-hour volume is super low, 34.9 million. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, grab up to 30K in bonuses. You can check out my full-length tutorial in the description. Make your first deposit, email me your sign-up email, free access to my Discord. So I was looking for a potential wave count where you could still see a push to the upside. And what I'm looking at, if we are going to see upside continuation, as I mentioned, we've already put in a wave 2. We pushed up to the 0.5, which is a normal retracement for a wave 2 pullback, and now you can come down in your wave 3. However, we could still be correcting depending on the CPI. 7.3 is expected, so if it comes in at 7.3 or lower, that could be bullish for the markets. If that were to play out, then what I'd be looking at is a W. We ABC'd into a W, we ABC'd into an X, and then you push up an ABC into a Y. That's the only thing I can see for upside continuation for the price of Gala Games. But if CPI comes in over 7.3 is bearish, the market is going to dump hard, and that's when you can start to come down to about 0.16. And if we look at this chart here, as I mentioned, we do have that bullish divergence as well as money is flowing back in. So that does give hope for Gala that you could potentially see a bounce to the upside, but it all depends on the CPI today. If it comes in at 7.3 or lower, I would expect a bit of a push up in the market here. But if it comes in any higher, I do think the markets will dump. So just a quick little update for Gala. Just wanted to show you of a potential WXY setup. If we do bounce, then what we'd be looking for is an ABC into a wave Y before seeing continuation to the downside. Either way, I don't think the bottom is in for Gala, and we will eventually come down to our price target of about 0.016, 0.017, where I'll absolutely load the bags. I was watching a video, Andrew Tate, talking about buying crypto right now and that you should be panicking to make money so you can buy more cryptocurrency, which I do agree with. He was talking about everyone panics when the price is near all-time high and try to get in, and it's completely the wrong thing to do. We should be panicking now to make as much money as we can to invest, not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, just a young guy from Canada. Make sure to check out my full-length tutorial for Bybit. Sign up, make your first deposit, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals, only $10 a month. All links in the comments and in the description. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.